The other problem was when people would go up to the street or whatnot, especially if they were drunk, they might fall off and hurt themselves. And there were obituaries in the newspaper, cause of death, fell off the road.
You know, Dave, this is one of the things I love about Arizona the most. There's endless places to explore and just do this.
Yeah.
Hiking and biking. I don't think you could ever possibly do them all.
Yeah.
It's great. I love it. There's some trails. You can see them going across the side to the right.
Yep.
On that mountain over there. These would be beautiful to bike on. Oh my gosh, they're smooth. Hard to believe, isn't it, that these mountains are this close to... It's pretty unique, I think, to have this kind of terrain to play in this close to the city.
Yeah.
Yeah, we've gained a little elevation already. It's looking nice. You can see the skyline of downtown Phoenix.
This was my first stop when I walked from my mom's house. I had lunch here.
You walked from her house here?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. All that traffic and stuff. Ugh.
Well, no, I walked along New River Trail for the most part.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
And then I had to do about a mile road walk.
Yeah. The rocks here almost look volcanic, don't they?
Yeah.
Really coarse. Some of it has to be, don't you think? I mean, that's...
Probably.
Yeah.
I think it was the first time I told him I was going out to a party where there was going to be alcohol. He said, well, if you need me to come get you, that's fine. If you want to spend the night, that's fine. Just don't drive with anybody who's drinking. He says, but if you spend more than one night there, give us a call so we don't worry.
Yeah.
That's the difference between fathers and mothers.
Yeah, exactly. Oh, this is worth it. I like hiking across or biking across tops of ridges like this. It looks cool. Oh, we're almost there. Look at that. Beautiful. See the white tanks over there? Ah, very nice. We made it. Yeah, this is quite something. South Mountain, white tank. Some beautiful peaks up there to the north. Beautiful. No sense leaving that behind.
I have a friend who, I try to do it too sometimes.
Oh, here comes a biker.
Yeah.
I was just gonna say, that trail's pretty wide. That looks like it'd be a good biking one.
Yeah, so
We're doing this one.
that way, and then we head out that way, and then down that road, and then down in there.
Yeah.
We can go down that way.
Is that the trail we're taking that I can see?
Yep.
Kind of left to right going up?
Oh, let's look over there. It's like amazing. We hiked over those mountains.
Yeah.
Now you have something to say at the dinner table.
Yeah.
First time I went up here, I went up with my backpack, and I really was sorry when I was coming down. It made things a lot harder.
Oh, yeah. Where the heck are we going? Oh my gosh. I gotta angle my camera way up just so I can keep you in the view here. You got strong legs, Dave. You want me to carry those?
No, I'm gonna leave them right there. I don't know why I brought them up this far. That was stupid of me.
We're almost there.
Getting there. Closer than we were a minute ago. Yeah, I can see the peak. Straight shot up.
Wow, nicely done.
How you doing? Hello. And here we are.
This is it. Oh my, look at, holy moly, yeah. That's straight down. And that's high enough where you probably wouldn't survive.
A student of mine. So they cleaned it up and now closed. $50 fine and caught hiking there.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, every time I hiked that spot afterwards, I just stared at it and I said, how the hell can you survive that?
I think going backwards like the way you're doing, it's definitely the way to go.
Are you taping?
I am.
Hi, Mom!
Hi, Mom.
It's not that dangerous, Mom. Oh, look, a rattlesnake!
Oh. Oh, this
There's
is...
no longhorn cattle up here.
Thankfully, we didn't record the really steep stuff.
Yeah. That time when I fell 20 feet. Oh, man.
Good thing that man was there to catch you before you went over.
I'll tell you.
Doing good. That is tricky right there. And steep.
It's all photoshopped, Mom. It's as flat as anything. As flat as my 7th grade girlfriend.
Nice job, David. Jesus. That was...
You did it a lot
That was
better
awesome.
than I did. You zipped right down that damn thing.
All right. That is the worst of it. Hopefully it's not like this coming out back up the rim.
No. We have none of this on the Grand Canyon, at least not on the major trails. I don't know.
Yeah.
I'm sure there are probably some places where you can.
Probably, yeah.
But not where it will be. A lot of times I'll throw them down. I mean, here I don't want to throw them down because it's too narrow. It might go off the edge.
Yeah, yeah.
A lot of times I'll throw them down and scare the shit out of other hikers. Oh, you fell over the edge.
Yeah.
You know, this woman goes to a outfitter. She goes, I'm going to be hiking in the woods, and I want you to, get me what I need to protect myself from bears. And the guy says, all right, well, first you get a bear bell. You put this on your backpack, and it'll ring, scare the bears away. And if that doesn't work, you have pepper spray. So bear spray. So here's the bear spray. But the most important thing is to know the difference between brown bear scat and black bear scat. She says, what's the difference? She says, well, black bear scat is small, round, smells sweet, and has little berries in it usually. Brown bear scat is larger, smells like pepper, and it has bear bells in it.
That's good. I like that one. Well, if the key's in it, I can pick you up and swing you around and drop you on the other side. Make a ride out of it. Oh, look at that. He's got a jackhammer on here to bust up all the rock. And then the other one's got a tiny little bucket on it. See how the turns are like built up like a berm right there? That tells me there that that's definitely for a bike.
Yeah, let's be the first people to take this hike this trail.
That sounds good to me. Let's do it. Beautiful. Some people have been on it with their bikes. Let's see.
No, that's just equipment. We're the first. Nobody else.
I don't see any footprints. I just see little knobby tracks.
They're like Lewis and Clark.
Wow. There's more. This is beautiful. My buddies back home there, Dave and Grant, they're gonna be jealous. Really nice and green. Well, I'm glad I had my avocado toast this morning and a couple of eggs. Those held me over well.